Sheet pan sausage and veggies checks all the boxes for a perfect weeknight meal. It's healthy and satisfying, it's super easy with minimal cleanup, and everyone just enjoys it. So I do have a few variations of sheet pan dinners, but I just really love this combo. I combine some tasty sausages with a rainbow assortment of veggies, and I seriously just cannot get enough of it. You guys could use whatever sausage that you guys like, whatever your family likes. I typically like to use a smoked sausage, but today I am using an apple chicken sausage. My son really loves these sausages. He likes the apple flavored ones because it does provide a hint of sweetness. So this is what I'm using today. And then I'm going to go ahead and slice these guys up. Any type of sheet pan and sausage dinners is honestly one of my favorites to make, especially during busy weeknights, because honestly, you just like chop everything up, set it in the oven, and let the oven do the work for you. And we are having a very busy week because we are going to Arizona for 5 days. We're going there for my son's baseball tournament, and also we're going to watch some spring training. So I'll be busy packing for that, and I don't really have that much time to cook. So this is one of those type of recipes to have in your back pocket when you don't really feel like cooking. Honestly, it's so easy. Okay, we got our sausages all sliced up. I'm going to go ahead and grab all my veggies, and then we'll arrange them on the sheet pan. All right, so I have my sheet pan here lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. I'm going to add in all of the sausages and just spread it around the pan. Next up, I have these beautiful red onions, purple onions. Just go ahead and sprinkle everything over. Next in line is a red bell pepper. When it comes to bell peppers, I always use red. Red just has the best flavor. It's nice and sweet. And then I have about a pound of Brussels sprouts that I trimmed and sliced. Depending on the size of the Brussels sprouts, if they're really tiny, because sometimes I've bought them and they're super tiny, I don't even slice them. If they're like medium in size, I slice them in half. And if they're really big, like these came really big. I got them from Trader Joe's and they were kind of on the larger side, so I did cut them into quarters. So you want to go ahead and spread that all around the pan. And last but not least, I have some corn on the cob, and I am cheating and using frozen corn on the cob. Trust me, it's just as good. I just didn't want to bother shucking the fresh corn on the cob, but if you guys want to use fresh corn on the cob, go ahead and do so. I'm sure it's going to be delicious, but like I mentioned, I just didn't want to bother with all that. I wanted to keep this super easy and super simple. Okay, let me clean up a bit and then I'm gonna grab the seasonings. Okay, so for the seasonings, it's super duper simple. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. This garlic powder is on its last leg here. I do use a lot of garlic powder. I go through this thing like so fast. Also going to use 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And then I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. You can use regular. I do like the flavor of smoked. Has a nice smoky flavor. But if you don't have it, you could use regular paprika. All right. And of course, with everything, you need some salt and pepper. Some salt. And lots of fresh ground pepper. I'm also going to add some extra virgin olive oil, some healthy fats, about a 1/4 cup. Ooh, don't want to knock these over. All right, and then I totally forgot a spoon or spatula, so let me grab that so I can mix this up. So I have my spatula now, and I'm going to just give everything a good mix so that everything's well coated with the olive oil and all the seasonings. My hubby and I do enjoy this meal as is, but if you wanted to add some extra carbs, you could add some diced potatoes, maybe a sweet potato, but honestly, I would add it to another sheet tray because this is already completely full. So yes, if you wanted to add some potatoes, go ahead and roast it at the same time on another sheet tray. My older son, on the other hand, likes to enjoy this meal over some rice. So I have some rice going in the rice cooker, and he's gonna have this over rice because he needs carbs. He plays sports, he exercises, it burns a lot of energy, so he needs his carbs. Now that everything is all mixed up, I have my oven preheated to 425 degrees. We're gonna let this roast for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna get it nice and caramelized and just let the oven do the work for you. You can just, go do some chores, do whatever you need to do to be productive for the day. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this in the oven, and I'll meet you guys over there. I just pulled it out of the oven, and look how beautiful it looks. Roasted sausages with a rainbow assortment of veggies. Healthy and delicious. All right, it is time for the taste test, and I'm thinking I may make a side of garlic bread. That will also go really well with this. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm gonna go in with the sausage first. Cheers. This sausage is really good. This is the apple chicken sausage from Trader Joe's. I also use the Adele's apple chicken sausage as well. This one is really good. I can't really take credit for the sausage because the sausage company did that and they did well. So it's delicious. But like I mentioned, any kind of smoked sausage would go great with this recipe. Okay, let's go in with the Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna get a little bit of the bell pepper and red onion. Cheers, you guys. The veggies are perfectly roasted, yet still crispy. They're nice and seasoned, drizzled with the olive oil, and I think I can take credit for that one. Anyways, this is honestly one of the most easiest dinners I've ever made. Try it, your family will love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys make this recipe. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe down below, and that will definitely help me out. And what else? I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. It's lunchtime, so I'm going to be eating this off the pan. Just kidding, I'll grab a plate.